Heather from HeatherBCo. I wanted to come at you today with the unboxing of the January Simply Gilded sub box. This month it is called Iridescent ink, and as you can see, it is all these pretty blue and purple colors. It does have a hollow foil to it. I'm trying to see if I can catch that on film. It's not super easy to catch the hollow, but it does have hollow foil. I will be showing you the mystery item at the end of this video. I will give you plenty enough time to click out if you do not want to see the mystery item, but I do want to let you know that there will be a spoiler at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already taken the mystery item out, so not to spoil it for those who do not want to see it. Again, this is the box. This is the front of the box. You've got... Here is the side, and then the back of the box has, of course, all of Simply Gilded's information. Let your creativity flow in hollow foil, and of course you have juniper in there. You should be able to see the hollow on her pretty good. So very nice hollow. Again, this is the side of the box, and let's go ahead and get everything open. Let's see. So this is a very anticipated box. The washi this month is absolutely gorgeous. It is definitely has, you know, Irene's signature pink in it, but we do have some other things happening as well. So let's see, let's put everything off to the side, and then we will kind of go according to the menu card, as I'll call it. So the first item on the card is the journaling card, and it's actually packaged with the washi in this nice resealable bag. So here is the journaling card. Life imitates art, again with that pretty watercolor print right here. It is solid white on the back, but very nice. I think this is probably a 4x6 size. So, you know, her usual, the usual size of her journaling cards. The next item is, I mean, we go straight into it, the designer washi tapes. So this month we got several. I'm trying to pull them all out. I did swatch them, so you will be able to see them swatched. So let's see. I want to keep the 5mm add-on a little separate just for a second. So this is the washi that we get in the regular subscription. You've got your bows, the 15 and 10mm. You've got this one, which is perforated and it's little dots, so you can use it horizontally. You've got the simple bow line. You've got this one, you've got this one that is the 3 different colors, kind of a watercolor print. And then you have this nice, pretty purpley blue color with the Aurora pink bow. And so that is the regular washi, or the regular sub washi. If you subscribe to the 5mm add-on, these are the additional ones that you get. None of these are perforated, but you get this nice heart with the Aurora pink. You get this nice little 5mm stardust kind of with hollow. You get the bow, the 5mm bow to match the other bow. And then you get this kind of a dark navy. Sorry, excuse a little bow on my hand. I stabbed myself with a paper cutter, with a X-Acto knife. But this one is like a dark navy with the Aurora pink foil. So here is all of the washi from the box, all in one swoop. Very pretty. I love these. I think this month, this one is my favorite, the line one. But let me go ahead and show you all of them swatched out. And let's see, where am I at in my swatch book? Here we go. Okay, so show you kind of up close if I can. So there's your bow washi. There's your simple line. There is the 3-line. I call this the fat bow. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I call it the fat bow. And then of course you have your perforated one. And then here's your 5mm add-on. Trying to get, there we go. So you can kind of see some of the foil. So this is them all swatched out. Let's see if there you can go. So you can see all of it and give you like a little wiggle, I guess, so you can try to see the foil in all of it. Yeah, so that's all of the washi for this month. The next thing on the list is the sticker kit and seals. So actually during, Irene does sneaks of everything. I did not actually catch any of the pictures of this, so I haven't seen any of these. I do love the colors, so here we go. I'm sorry, I keep flipping that. Purple and blue are not necessarily my favorite colors, but man, oh man, this is so pretty. I just love these colors together. Okay, so here's the regular 2-sheet kit that we normally get. It looks like she has changed things up a little bit. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 sets of date covers. So, and then we have a couple of me time, vacation, and planner time. So that is a little bit different than it has been in the past. Of course, we have our full boxes, icons, circle icons, flag icons. Here are some headers, more full boxes right here, some little bow deco. We also always get this little extra sheet right here that has, I'm trying to move this so you can see it a little bit better. It's got an extra full box and it's got some half boxes in here with some checklist. Here are the seals for the month that match the kit perfectly. And then we also got a sheet of icons that are hollow foiled, trying to get that hollow to pick up again, and I'm not being very successful at it. And then of course we have the date dots. I say date dots, but they are hearts. They are cut out in hearts, and again in the hollow foil on this. So this is all the stickers that come with the kit this month. Very nice. I can't wait to use this kit. Okay, next is the iridescent pouch. So that would be this, and I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. So this is the pouch, or not out of the box, out of the bag. So it's got Simply Gilded on here. It's very iridescent, and it's got a little, this is snap. Yes, this snaps, so you can do to keep it open. Oh, where's my zipper? Here we go. So you can actually snap this right here. I don't know really why I would need to keep that snapped. I guess if I needed to keep it open for whatever reason, but I would probably never use that snap. But it zips really nice. It's got this nice purpley blue trim right here. It's completely see-through. So cute little pouch. We haven't received anything like this in quite some time. So this is a nice product in this month's box. Alrighty, so next is the B6 notebook. And here we go with the B6 notebook here, which, yeah, Simply Gilded is right there. So this is the front of it. And this is the back. I do not open these until I need them. I do use these. I just keep them closed until I need them. But again, just the same watercolor pattern. The next item is the ink pen, and this is the last item that was packaged in this bag. I tend to keep these bags to reuse them. They're so pretty. And the pen this month is a nice, I can't say watercolor, I guess like almost like an oil slick iridescent color. I don't really even know what to call it. It just says sleek engraved gel ink pen. So this is the pen that we get this month. Of course, it's got Simply Gilded on it, and it's gonna have the bow on the top. They are gel pens. They have a nice heavy weight. Oh, I'm trying to get this. Here we go. It always has the little tip on there. So when you're ready to use it, you just pull the little tip off and it is ready to go. I keep these pens in my purse. They work great. They're they're not too bulky or anything. So yeah, that's the pen this month. All right, so the next thing is the iridescent ruler. I was very excited when I saw this because I don't have a cute ruler. I don't even think I have a ruler at all, to be honest. So this is the ruler that came with it. Let's see, it probably goes this way. Yeah, there we go. So, I mean, you can use either side, but just a nice little office supply to have at your desk. You know, I can always use a ruler from time to time for just different things. So I'm really excited about this being in the box. Just something to add to my arsenal of office supplies. Sorry if you can hear my washing machine in the back. My daughter came over to wash some clothes, and my office is right by the laundry room. Okay, so here we go with the vellum and the acetate, which seems to be a pretty good staple in the past few boxes. So here we go with the vellum, and it's this nice, pretty watercolor print. Of course, it's got is it silver or hollow? It's hollow, I think. Let's see. Yes, it's hollow. So it's got the hollow veining going through the whole paper. This is B6 size, but you can cut it down and use it in a variety of ways. And then we have the acetate with the stars. And again, this is size for B6. I actually cut these down and use these in my front pockets of my planners because I use an A5, which is bigger than the B6, so it doesn't fit. Like if I would punch holes in it, it would be too small, but I do use these in my planners, like in my pockets and things. Next on the list is the translucent sticky tabs, and here we go with these. I'm super excited about this. I don't have any of these. I know that Cloth and Paper has been doing them for a while, but I don't have any of these, so I'm super excited about these. I love that they have names on them. They are vellum, so you will need to use a permanent pen. We do get the micro-perm pens in the boxes from time to time. You could do that, or a Sharpie pen, but these will just be very, very handy. And again, another thing to throw in my desk, just to have on, you know, as my arsenal of tools that I need just in my basic everyday office. So these, I think she said that these are going to be coming in some of the boxes more frequently, which I'm super excited about this because I go through, I feel like, 1 million sticky notes a week. So super excited about these. I can't wait to get some other color schemes in. And the last item before the mystery item is the vellum heart sticky notes. Again, I can never have too many sticky notes. These are really pretty in this heart shape. They are vellum, so they are see-through. They have a nice stick to them, and you can kind of see it's just this light purpley color, and you, of course, can see through them. Again, you will need to use a permanent marker or a pen to write on these because any other pen will smear. So that is it for everything that's on the menu card, and I kind of went through everything kind of fast. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, this is everything. So the last thing on there is the mystery item, and so if you don't want to know what the mystery item is, please click out at this time. I'm about to show it, so here's your last chance if you do not want to be spoiled. So the mystery item this month is a jelly roll pen in blue ink. And I've kind of seen some people were kind of a little underwhelmed that it was just a jelly roll pen, but I actually really like these pens. I use them quite a bit. They, you know, they give off like a cool metallic look. I did write, I'm gonna try to show you, see if it can, I did write with it so you can kind of see that it gives like, it's got the glitter in it if you're not familiar with the jelly rolls. I know most of us are, but that is what it looks like once it's written out. And I just did like the little box right here and colored it in so you can kind of see. But again, these jelly rolls are really, really nice pens. I'm excited when Irene puts them in our boxes because they do sell these at like Michael's, but I hate buying them from Michael's because they're just in that little thing where, you know, all the pens are just stuck in there, and then you go and you try to look for the color you want and people have written all over the display. And I don't know, I hate buying the pens that I don't know how many people have used them. I don't know, you know, I don't like buying pens like that. I would prefer to buy one that was shipped to me that I know has not been written all over Michael's. But anyway, yeah, so this is the mystery item this month. I hope you like the pen as much as I do, and I hope you like the box. I think the box is a great box overall. So let me kind of pull everything back in so that we can get a picture. So we've got this super cool tote, it's not a tote, it's a pouch. And I think these would be great. I know there are some jobs that you have to have like a clear bag. You can't have like just a regular purse. You have to bring your personal items in a clear purse or whatever. So I think that would be a cute way to do that. So we've got some sticky notes here. We've got sticky tabs here. We've got some vellum and acetate. We have a cute little ruler. We've got a gorgeous pen, a notebook, and let's see, what else can I fit in here? So we've got all of the washi. Let's see, let's do this maybe. Go here, here, and then put the washi here for the thumbnail picture. I don't like how that's coming out orange. I want to change the, there we go. So that is the whole box for, let's see, maybe can we do this? No, I just don't like how it's coming out orange. I know that's so picky and so extra, but yeah. So this is the whole box for the January Simply Gilded sub box that is called Iridescent Ink. And again, here is the box. And so I thank you for watching. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.